Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. In this channel, I'm going to be reviewing everything to do with futures trading. So things like prop firms, software, algorithms, copy traders, and just to give you guys general tips and tricks to combine everything to help you become a more successful trader. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Holy Grail Algo and their new levels trader. As well, I'll be starting an account challenge. So I'll be getting accounts from Apex and only running this new algorithm on it. And we'll get into that later in the video. But before we get into anything, I just want to say that I'm not being paid to do these reviews. Nobody has asked me, or no company has asked me to do these reviews. And these are to help you guys and introduce you to different companies and algorithms and give you some insight about what it's all about. But that being said, I do have affiliate links in the description, and I would really appreciate if you use those. Alright, as you can see on the screen here, we have NinjaTrader 8, the M&Q September chart. It's on 5 minutes, and we're in market replay. This is about the Holy Grail level strategy. And what the strategy does is it uses these lines of support and resistance, so otherwise known as levels. And once those levels are broken, it'll enter a trade. It starts trading at 9:30, so when it's blue in the background, it means it's off. And then at 9:30, it'll go back to a black background, and this both will go back, or will be black. So we're currently past 9:30 in this
Order
replay.
submitted. Order filled.
It broke this level, and it entered a trade, and we hit the profit target.
Order filled.
And then we have another one. And the way they have it set right now is it does market orders and enters on bar close, which means it'll take only one trade every 5 minutes. So for the NQ strategy, it also converts to the MNQ at 1/10 of the size. The profit target is 7.5 points, and the stop loss is 15 points, which means a $150 win, a $300 loss. So to win, you need 2 wins to make up for 1 loss. However, it has about a 73% accuracy.
Order filled.
And it will make a lot of money over time. So I'm showing it on the MNQ chart because I was testing that because I'm going to use that on my cash account as part of that challenge that I was mentioning earlier. So on MNQ, it's $7.50 for the profit target and $15 for a loss. Alright, and so they have full demos on their YouTube channel. What I'm going to do now is we're going to go look at the website and review the company. So Holy Grail Algo, they started out as a group of traders who were developing the algorithm for their own use, and eventually they decided to share it with the public. I've been using Holy Grail Algo since May 2023 with their older strategies, but they have recently just come out with the new scalper is what they call them. So they use the 5-minute chart and the levels like I just showed you. And they also have an ES chart, but it's not as profitable. So we're going to take a look at that and the results. So you can go to their website, look at the results, the NQ summary. And so this is from January 1st to September 29th. The total net profit is $53,000. Total commissions is 7,716. The accuracy is 74%, and the profit per month estimate is $6,000. Then you can get even deeper into it. This is the profit slope, so you can see that over the year it's like a nice steady growth, and this is what they aim for when they make their algorithms is to like have a steady growth, no big ups and downs. And then they have it by month. This is a month.
Order
The
filled.
lowest one is
Order filled. Order submitted.
the lowest one is 3,500. So that's pretty. Oh, that's really good, to be honest. Especially when you think about it, you can copy trade this to 20 or 40 accounts. It's an incredibly life-changing amount of money. They also look at it through days of the week, and even down to the half-hour time slots. This is the data that they use to make their templates. And they even have, so in this strategy, since they designed it to try to make it good for prop firms, so the max drawdown is 2,200, and they have a daily profit and loss limit on this strategy, which means if it makes $900 in a day, it'll turn itself off, or if it loses $500 in a day, it'll turn itself off. And that means that if you have 2 losses in a row to start, you're done for the day. But over time, like it does make the money according to the test results. So the thing is that this is brand new, and that's why I'm going to be testing it myself and sharing the results with you guys. So Holy Grail has amazing customer service. It's definitely the best customer service I've ever seen online or in real life. I mean, these guys, they'll answer your emails in like 5 minutes. It doesn't even matter the day. I've gotten email responses at like 1 a.m. on a Saturday night. Today I got one at 3 p.m. on Sunday. They have a live Zoom that demos the product. So you can go to the website and click on live and then get into the Zoom. It says it starts at 9 a.m., but nobody talks until like 9:20. And when you sign up as a new customer, they give you a one-on-one Zoom meeting, and that is to make sure that you got it set up properly and it's working for you. So they really care about the customer, and everything is designed to help improve you as a trader. And as a company, like their work ethic is really good. When they tried to develop the level strategies, I know that they worked on long weekends. They'll work until like 3 or 4 a.m. and then come hop on the Zoom at 9:30. It's they're kind of very dedicated to, like, it's kind of nuts. So one thing to note though is that since the algorithm moves on a break of levels, you have to get in and out quickly, so they use market orders. And so if you have a internet that is slow and not that great, they recommend you to get a VPS. They get you a exclusive price offer. What a VPS is, it's a virtual private server, and this one is located in Chicago, which is where the exchange is listed. I personally have like a gigabyte per second fiber optic internet, and I get about the same ping as what the VPS does, so I don't need it, but I know that a lot of people around the world will prefer to have a VPS, and it's the best thing to do when you're trading with algorithms. They also let you download the indicator of the levels for free, but it won't take the trades for you or anything like that. This is what they use to start developing the level strategy. So go back to the scalper here. And so they have a limited time of license, so they're trying to limit the amount of people that they take in for now to keep their amazing customer service levels, and just not get overwhelmed with like requests for help. Look, the ES scalper is half the drawdown of the NQ, but that's also a very low. Well, it's not nothing, but it's not as much compared to the NQ. What else here? Yeah, so I wanted to talk a little bit about backtesting and the amount of backtesting that Holy Grail Algo does. It's they do like thousands of hours of market replay and strategy analyzer. They have multiple people working on this, developing strategies for the NQ and other charts, and there's also more charts to come. I've heard like gold and oil and stuff like that. They even hire like outside analysts to review their data before they put it out, and it's just an amazing commitment to their customers to pay for that. So we're all right. So they have their demo video on it. It is you can get it for $200 a month, and it has the free updates, or you can do the $2,000 for the year. So you save $400 by doing that, and it also has the updates. Another thing that they committed to is constantly retesting their strategy and making tweaks as they need to go along, like as market changes. For example, because, well, like 2 years ago, the price of oil was completely different than it is now. So say they had an oil chart, they gotta keep that updated. So the guy who runs the Zoom uses it on his cash accounts, as they say here, and use for their own money. They have a ton of faith in their products. I have faith in the company, just because of their work ethic. Like we know currently that the strategy has not been out for long enough for me to say like, yeah, I got paid out by Apex using this strategy. So that's why we're going to move on to an account challenge. And so what I mean by account challenge is using this NQ settings to try to pass a prop firm eval on different account sizes, and also use a MNQ on a cash account and share the results with you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a fresh 50k eval from Apex and a fresh 150k eval from Apex, and then I'm going to use the micro one contract on my cash account. Personally, like for this and other algorithms, I recommend like nothing less than 150k account, just because of the drawdown. It's the easiest way to not blow your account is by having an account size big enough to handle it. And then you can always increase the amount of contracts that you're using if you want to make the money faster, as long as you have the drawdown space in case you lose some. So what I'm going to do to share the results with you guys for 100% transparency, so I'm going to make a Discord. I'm going to post
Order filled. Order submitted.
Profit and loss limit
Order
that
filled.
pops up in this area, as well as the account number with numbers with the balance at the end of each day.
Order filled.
I'm interested to see if it
Order
blows
filled.
to the 50k or not. I know it should not blow the 150k. So that's a bit of an experiment for everybody. And just remember, in these snapshots, I'm running the MNQ, so that would be $900 if it was on a full-size NQ contract. So yeah, overall, they're an amazing company. They have had proven success in the past. This is a new algorithm that they made, so I have a lot of confidence in it and the company, and we're just gonna see how it goes. I think it's gonna go well. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make it Discord, and the link's gonna be in the description below. I'm gonna post the results for each account. I'm gonna make it read only for now, and then I'll take questions at the end of this challenge or when I'm able to manage it. I'm gonna make a new video every week for the weekly results. But like I said, you can see everything daily. Everything's gonna be super transparent, not hiding anything. This is for my own benefit as well as for you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to get started.